Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to finding the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen organization and self-discipline with a product that's been making waves, the Kitchen Safe Time Locking Container. Now, let me tell you why this is the best storage box for your kitchen. First off, let's talk about its build and design. Crafted with durability in mind, this container is made from high-quality plastic and features a clear base, allowing you to easily see its contents at a glance. Plus, with its sleek square shape and variety of color options, it's sure to complement any kitchen decor. But what sets this container apart is its innovative time-locking feature. With just a few simple steps, you can set the timer for up to 10 days, locking away temptations like snacks, phones, or even medications until the countdown reaches 0. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Whether you're trying to curb your snacking habits, reduce screen time, or stick to a medication schedule, this container is your secret weapon. By creating a physical barrier between you and your temptations, it helps you build healthier habits and regain control over your impulses. And here's the best part, it's not just hype. Backed by research from top institutions like Princeton, Harvard, Stanford, and Yale. The concept of pre-commitment devices like this container has been proven to be effective in combating temptation and conserving willpower. So, if you're ready to take control of your habits and lead a healthier, more disciplined lifestyle, then look no further than the Kitchen Safe Time Locking Container. It's not just a storage box, it's a tool for transformation. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy organizing!